This is Team Tughlaq presenting an innovative idea for Apptio. So, what led us to our idea? Our focus was on how to make a product more appealing to new customers for enrolling them in Apptio. And since every company is moving to cloud right now, this is where we have to help them exploit cloud to its full potential without worrying about the infrastructure. And we also want to save them money. So, why would company want to move between the cloud providers in the first place? Well, they want to lower the cloud expense. In 2019, two-thirds of the IT companies tried to lower their cloud spending, and if there are providers offering cheaper, similar, or superior cloud functionality, it gives a viable opportunity for the migration. Companies would really want to go for the best and the greatest. If current market trends show that a provider is engulfing more customers, it might be worth considering moving to the same. Companies that might be a little concerned over having their data in the cloud hosted by one of their rivals might want to think of having their data hosted elsewhere, and it shouldn't make them hesitant to switch back over to a different cloud provider. Apptio has been doing cloud optimizations, and it would be best if it would do it over different cloud platforms as well. Based on stats from 2019, more than 40% of the non IT leaders said they just didn't know if they can even migrate from one cloud to another. Our solution is an easy to use inter cloud migration tool that will migrate the complete cloud infra of a company to a different cloud provider. We call it Easy Migrate. Can we actually do it? Yes, and here we have a small instance of it ready. Here is our tool where we can add a one-time cloud provider credentials, the secret keys. These are deleted post-migration to enforce security. We can then select the source provider, service, and filter for a resource. Click the Migrate button. Select the target platform and provide a resource name. Some fields have been autofilled based on source config. Click Migrate and the migration will start. This will take some time based on resource selected. On the GCP console, the DB is deployed. We can head over to databases and can see that the DBs have been migrated successfully. We also receive an email informing about the successful resource migration. Here is a high-level architecture of our product. Now you may be wondering, why would companies go only for Apptio with this? Well, we will reduce huge migration costs that range from setting up a DevOps team of 10 requiring a long time to migrate and maintaining of such infrastructure. We are automating all of that with just one click. We have also kept security and privacy in mind, and we don't save any config inputs given by the user, and any of those are deleted post-migration. The market capitalization of cloud providers is changing drastically each year. Although AWS is way ahead of its rivals, both Azure and Google's growth is higher for the last 3 years. What does that mean for us? A great opportunity to help customers migrate as and when the times change and as various providers become more prevailing. Now, the very important part, how will this impact Apptio and its performance? Current market solution is one that helps a customer migrate 5 apps over a 14-day period and costs $25,000. We see a great business opportunity here that would give Apptio upwards of at least $100,000 per customer that opt in. This is just the beginning of something great. Apptio's artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities can make use of current Apptio customers' cloud usage statistics for insights and suggestions on cloud providers. This will help our customers migrate to different providers without having to do prior research. Customers will be able to hop between cloud services based on cloud infra cost predictions on quarterly basis. This was our idea for the hackathon.